The following message is transmitted at the request of the World King's Emergency Broadcast Office and the Global Defense Force. This is not a test. We have issued an extreme biological threat warning for the following regions: South City, the Papaya Island Archipelago, and all surrounding rural districts. This is a developing timeline of a catastrophic threat. May 12th, at 0900 hours, all communications from Gingertown abruptly ceased. King's Army forces sent to investigate found the town completely empty. All 15,000 residents have vanished, leaving only their clothing behind in the streets. This event is linked to the unidentified phantom creature that single-handedly decimated the West City Armed Forces Battalion deployed to the area. May 12, 1200 hours, a similar event was reported in Nicky Town. All residents are gone. Only clothing remains. The entity is confirmed to be moving from town to town. May 13, 1100 hours, the city of Basel came under attack. We received a final, garbled transmission from Time Air, Flight 767, an inbound passenger jet on its final approach to Basel City Airport before crashing to the ground.
Basel Tower, this is Time Air 767, final approach. We're seeing some kind of disturbance on the runway. Can you confirm? Tower, say again. The runway. It's empty. Where did everyone go? There's just clothes. The ramp agents, they're just clothes on the ground. What is going on? What the hell is that?
3 o'clock. Fast. It's not on the radar. It's pacing the plane. Basil, something is in the air with us. It's not a plane. It's a man.
It's inside the cockpit. It's not human.
That was the last communication received from Flight 767. The entity is mobile, capable of flight, and has harvested Basel City. It is now believed to be moving south. 0800 hours. Current situation: a new, confirmed sighting has been made. The creature was photographed by a civilian just 1,000 kilometers north of South City, near a forested area. The entity is green, insect-like, and possesses a large, tail-like appendage. It is confirmed to be the same being from Gingertown and Basel. Warning: South City. Based on its trajectory and speed, the entity is now on a direct path to the South City metropolitan area. Its arrival is imminent. Threat description: the entity is a singular, bipedal, insect-like creature. The entity is an active and systematic hunter of human life, drawn to population centers. It does not appear to use conventional weapons. Fragmentary reports describe the creature impaling or drinking its victims with a large, tail-like appendage. The process has been reported as near instantaneous. Conventional firearms and heavy military weapons have been proven completely ineffective. Protective actions: this is not a drill. Do not evacuate. Stay off roads and pathways. The creature is incredibly fast and is drawn to movement and concentrations of people. Seek shelter immediately. Move to the most secure, preferably underground, location you can find. Basements, public bunkers, and deep sub-levels are your best defense. Geo dark and silent. Turn off all lights, electronics, and engines. Lock and barricade all doors. Maintain absolute silence. Do not speak. Do not make noise. Repeat: a hostile entity responsible for the disappearance of several towns and cities is now approaching South City. Seek secure, silent, underground shelter immediately.